Well, good morning, y'all out there. It is October 8th, I believe, 2022, in the year of our Lord. And I am going to again talk about this vehicle, but not yet. Because I am going to show you my other vehicles. That one across the street is my wife's son's. This is my truck that I'm going to review today. There's the Pathfinder. And there is one vehicle missing, another truck that I have. But we'll get to that later. Very nice, smooth riding truck for its age, for its style. I mean, it's a good overall vehicle. We're going to take a trip down to those mountains you see in the background. Give a review of this unique classic old truck, Nissan Frontier. 2000 Nissan Frontier XE. 4-cylinder rear-wheel drive pickup truck. You don't make them like this anymore, that's for sure. Ice cold AC. Look at this. Very nice and cold. The radio is not working at the moment, but can't have everything. it's a really good driving vehicle. I mean, you'll hear in my review once I park how long I've had it, what I did to it. I mean, this is really a damn good truck. A lot of people like this truck, actually want to buy it, which is shocking but not surprising to me, because I know about these trucks. Their engines, their transmissions are really when Nissan was at the top of its game. This is my backyard, so to speak, the Australia Mountains. Born and raised here. So, very beautiful area. I don't know if you guys remember, but this is where I did the review for the GXP here. Remember that? Look at that beauty. Can you hear that 4-cylinder engine just humming just perfectly? I mean, this is a really good little truck. You're gonna see, I mean, once I park in it and review it and stuff. For right now, just enjoy the view here of a Saturday. It's about 10:30 in the morning, October 8th, 2022. Right now, getting a little warm outside, but it's only going to be like 93 degrees today, the high, which is real good for Arizona desert. But hear the engine. Wait till I tell you when I stop how much miles this engine has on it. You'll be shocked. That's what makes these trucks super desirable. I mean, Nissan doesn't make their trucks like, well, I mean, I can't really say that for sure, but well, I know for sure they don't make their trucks like this anymore. The way they used to make them for this year in earlier years. The D21's Hardbodies. Find somewhere to park here. Within this beautiful mountainous area here, in my backyard. A little warm outside, but I'll squeeze in some time for this. This particular mountain you see right there, I always hike that when it gets cold outside. Why nobody else does, I don't know. Maybe I should do my review right there, but I've been hiking that mountain since I was a kid. Actually, all these mountains. They're not easy, I can tell you that much. They may look small to you through the video, but trust me, they're pretty big mountains. Rugged and full of rattlesnakes this time of year. Got that really nice house here. I'm going to cut this right here and then I'm going to park and do the review. Be right back. Alright, so I'm going to start the verbal review of this after that little quick drive you just seen. So this is my 2000 Nissan Frontier XE extended cab, 4-cylinder, rear-wheel drive, and yeah, I'm just going to give it a quick review. Like I said, it's 4-cylinder. I've had it for about 4 years. And it's really turned into a really good truck. Let me get that seat belt out the way and close this real good. Look at that. Look at that. A nice looking truck. 2000. Look at that classic Nissan grill, front grill. Nice air circulation grill. Look at that. Classic Nissan. They don't even make... This is a real rear wheel drive 4-cylinder pickup. D21 Hardbody that Nissan used to make. This is when they used to make really good high quality trucks. And this one's a really good example because it has 250,000 miles. That ain't no joke. I mean, look at the cargos. Lots of cargo room in here. Sliding rear window. I mean, it's just a beautiful truck in my opinion. I mean, I'm not just saying that because it's mine. I'm just, you know, And that's, you know, not my opinion, like I said. It's just, I've been driving it for 4 years, 250,000 miles on it. Basically, I mean, I put obviously some money in it, maintaining it, but nothing outrageous, you know. That shows the quality of these trucks. I mean, I'm giving you a view of it all the way around. And I had people wanting to buy it from me for $3,500 recently. I brought it for $2,000 3 or 4 years ago. And it's just been super reliable, super economical, and I treat it like shit. I mean, to be honest with you, I've just brutalized this truck so much. In this bed right here, I've had full with cement, wood, furniture, trash. I mean, you name it, I've hauled it, you know, and it's never let me down. It's super sturdy. Like I said, this is an actual D21 hard body Nissan pickup truck, rear wheel drive. Let me show you underneath here, just to prove it to you. What? Look at this. I don't know if you can see that. It's going to go sideways. You see the drive shaft differential there? That's an actual rear wheel drive 2000 Nissan pickup truck. Look at the tread on the tires, really good. You see, the tires I bought like 2 years ago, really good tires, almost brand new. I've only put less than 4,000 miles on this truck when I brought it. And that's not leaking coolant or anything. That's the goddamn what do you call that, condensation from the air conditioning, because I just had a coolant hose replaced on this and the new serpentine belts. Here it's missing that Nissan hub. Been meaning to get that, but like always, I don't have freaking time. I should probably get that off of eBay for, you know, 10 bucks or something. Nissan Frontier. Oh boy. Behind that alternator there, or starter, whatever the hell that is, there's a U-shaped coolant hose that I just had to replace at Brake Masters. And they put new serpentine belts, 3 of them it takes in this truck, because I the hell sure couldn't get to it. But I don't know how they did it, but they did it. It's way back in the engine bay there, and they did it. So let me open up the engine bay and we'll talk about this vehicle. But just wanted to give you a all-around view of it. Look at that. It's just beautiful, ain't it? Look at that. Look at that. Come on now. Look at the backdrop of the mountains back there. You know what that, you see that peak back there? That's called Montezuma Peak. And I'm going to show you something really freaky that you probably never seen before later on in this video. See that peak? Montezuma Peak. But back to the truck here. And I wanted to show you how my tongue always gets tied on these things. You see that dent right there of the fucking bumper? That's not caused by me. That was caused by my fucking nephew. I let him in the truck, and that's what happened. He fucking backed into a fucking pole. Otherwise, that bumper was really good. I actually hit it myself when I first got it. But, I mean, come on. It is what it is. I mean, look at this truck. All sides. For year 2000. Come on now. Come on now, god damn it. Alright, so I'm gonna open up the hood, let you check this out. Oh, well, you do want to see the interior, of course. Look at this interior. Key's making that, the key's in the ignition, so that's why it's making that noise. Get this out the way. Yeah, that's the interior. Window opens up. Look at that. See that? This goes down. Little storage area there. Put your cup holder there, whatever. That this does not go down. This is part of the whole seat here. Pretty clean interior. Nephew also fucked up my radio. He plugged a stupid ass iPod or whatever, Apple shit in there, and it fucked up my speakers. The fucking radio used to work good. It come with a remote and everything. Look at that. 2 cup holders there. I always carry my knife. Check this out. I don't go anywhere without this baby. Oops, let's see. Oh, look at that. Now watch this. Let me raise this, put the seat up. Like I said, this is a crew cab. There we go. Here, look. Here's a manufactured by Nissan Motor Company Limited. 1999. This motherfucker was manufactured. It's got there's the. Well, I'll open the hood to let you see something. But anyway, check this out. So you have 2 little seats, pocket cubby seats back here. Let's open this up. If I remember. Oh shit! Look at that! Look at that! See that? Nice little seat. There. Another one over there. Let's go around over here, check it out. Raise the seat up. There. Put that down. Stretch. Look at that. Pretty cool. Seat back. Seat back. You got your good storage area in there. Nice pockets. Another knife here. Keep that one there. I mean, this, when the stereo was working, it jams out pretty good. One thing I tried to fix, but I was never able to, because I don't know why. I brought the headliner for this. The old one was peeling off, so I took it off completely. I mean, you can see from the sun visors too, they're missing the, look at this. Oh shit, might as well rip that one off. Anyway, so the headliner is completely missing. I bought the original fabric headliner for that, and I bought the glue and everything, but it just never sticked on like properly. So I just fucking left it off. So I think you have to scrape all this shit off and then spray the glue, and then you put your headliner on there, your fabric. But anyway, it doesn't bother me. So there, you got your sunshades and shit is all coming apart because it's old. But it is an old truck. It still runs real good. Gets about 20 to 22 miles a gallon. You know, I do have an issue with this seat belt. I had to fix this like this. You see that? Because this part here doesn't work properly, so I had to jimmy rig it. Let me open the trunk like that. Here's your fuse box here. See that? There. And let me just, while I'm in here, let me show you the freaking how much miles this shit got. Ice cold AC. Look at that, nice and cold. But see, the stereo used to fucking work good, and my fucking nephew, not only did he fuck up my bumper, he fucked up my stereo here. But anyway, so check this out. Put this fucking I don't know if you can see. I don't want to. Oh, let's see. Gotta go sideways in this. 250,490 miles. That's what it says. It's not my. I got my phone on a selfie stick, so it's kind of hard to view the miles. Maybe they're 250,490. Shit, it says. So let me turn off the engine. Check out the engine on this. These are extremely, in today's world, valuable engines. If you can find one with low miles, you find in treasure. Okay, so let me put this up on the rod, and there you go. So right off the bat, you got a Nissan twin cam 16 valve 4-cylinder engine, old-fashioned carburetor. This truck, I put in a new radiator. Good battery still. It's a big ass battery. I mean, look how easy this truck is to work on. You have basically your spark plugs right up here. Everything just easily accessible, except for, I don't know if you can see the new serpentine belts. There's 3 serpentine belts that come with this truck. And I had those installed. When I first bought it, I had to redo the entire brake system. So everything in this brake system of this truck is completely brand new. Let me show you something. When you're looking for a Nissan truck, that is what you want to look for. KA24DE. Those are world famous engines for these particular Nissan vehicles. I mean, very reliable. I mean, come on, 250,000 miles? Wow. I mean, rear wheel drive. I mean, these trucks are, like I said, I bought it 4 years ago. And I've only put, like, you know, I don't drive my vehicles that much. I'm a truck driver, okay? I'm on the road all the time. So this gives you a very good idea how much I drive my vehicles. I've had it for 4 years and I've only put 4,500 miles on it. So yeah, I just wanted to, if you're in the market for a decent, you know, a truck that you just want to haul shit in, you know, nearby or whatever, to your Home Depot, to the dumps, you know, cement, all this other crap that you normal people do haul in their trucks. This is your truck, man. It served me well. 4 years, it's made me money. I haven't lost money on this truck. It's made me money, man. You know? Beautiful ass truck. I love it. Like I said, I've had somebody just recently wanted to buy it for $3,500. They know what the quality of these trucks are. You can see down there it's leaking the condensation. That's not coolant, that's condensation. And I will show you. You can tell that that's just fucking, I just had the AC on. But yeah, man, this is a good ass truck. You don't see anywhere. It's classic Nissan. I mean, look at this. Look at that. Against this beautiful backdrop. Nice windy, breezy day. Showing you my truck. The most expensive thing I've had to do, like I said, was replace the entire brake system. And that was only because of there was no, it's called a brake, I forgot what the damn thing is, brake distribution system or some shit that controls all the brakes. They no longer made the part, and looked everywhere for it, could not find it, until Nissan dealer actually rigged up something for me to make this truck usable again. So thank him for that. But yeah, I mean, this is a really good truck. I mean, hauling stuff around, like I said, it's just unbelievable. The shit, man, I wish I could have pictures of all the stuff that I put in here. Cement, like I said, wood, all your crap that goes out to the dump, you know. I mean, you're talking about high, you know, strapped and all this truck. I mean, landscape stuff, heavy stuff. And it's held up, man. The suspension is rock solid, heavy duty. So anyway, that's just a review of my 2000 Nissan Frontier 4-cylinder rear-wheel drive pickup truck. This is a rare beauty. This is the kind of vehicles I like, you see? Rare, unique, everyday using vehicles. I don't like new shit. I also have a 2008. God damn, I already forgot the year on my other truck. It's been so long, it's been parked for over a year. I haven't finished the resto mod on that one. That's a, oh my god, I know it's a GMC Sierra 1988. My god. So yeah, 1988 GMC Sierra. I want to do a review on that one. Oh my god, that truck is beautiful, just like this one. So there you have it. Here against the beautiful backdrop of this mountains. Look at that. Look at that. Out there is the raceway. Against the backdrop of, this is right here. Again, you see that peak over there, Montezuma Peak? I think they changed it on the map, some other bullshit. because they didn't want to offend Indians or some crap. But if you try to hike this mountain from the front, which I attempted to do when I was like 8 years old, believe it or not, because I live about 3 miles away from here. This is my backyard. So I used to, as a kid, ride my bike all around here trying to eventually make it to that peak. I never did because it goes so far back, about a good 20 miles. It looks close, but it's not. It's like really, really long freaking hike to get to that peak. But people have, and I'm going to show you what's on top of that peak. You're going to be, I mean, when I first seen the pictures of what's on top of that peak, it shocked me, but you'll see what's. Anyway, just wanted to show you this beautiful pickup truck. Don't make them like this anymore. Rear-wheel drive Nissan 2000 Nissan Frontier. Look at that beauty. The world famous engines that people crave for, that starting to learn. Wow, they really made some nice freaking trucks back in the day. D21 Hardbodies. Okay. So here we are, back in the truck again. Start it up. Look at that, starts right up. Stick on the AC, it's freaking hot. Alright, so I'm gonna, there you go, watch. I'm gonna put the camera up here. 250,490 miles, man. Come on now. You're telling me that trucks and shit they make nowadays are gonna do that? No way, man. This is a fucking good ass truck. Look at this. Handles, mirror there, the little chair, back window, nice bed. Anyway, so there you go. See you on the next one.